Welcome. In this video, I will show you the best settings to change right away after setting up your OPPO Pad 5. Start by going to settings on your device, go to display and brightness, and here I really recommend enabling the adaptive tone, which will automatically adjust the screen color temperature based on the lights around you. I really recommend using this feature because personally I cannot use this tablet without it, as the colors just seem way too bright when the adaptive tone is disabled, and the adaptive tone itself doesn't really make the image look worse. It just adapts it to your eyes so that it doesn't seem so sharp to them. Also, scroll down to screen refresh rate and make sure to change it to high. Select the high option here and have the 120 Hz experience all the time. Also go to app specific refresh rate and make sure to set 120 Hz for every application you have here. Next, once you connect your headphones to your tablet, I recommend going to sound, go into Holo audio and enabling this feature. And this will let you experience the 3D sounds while you are wearing your headphones. You can also go to sound effects settings and switch between different sound effects to see, to rather hear which one suits you more. Also, don't forget to go to System and Update, find recommended services and enabling quick connecting here. That will let you connect with other devices like TV, smartphones, way easier. All you have to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the open the quick settings menu, then go to the screencast and cast your screen to your TV or a monitor wirelessly. Also, don't forget to enable the AI features. To do that, go to AI menu, go to AI Service Engine and switch it on. And also go to AI Voice Scribe and enable AI Voice Scribe to be able to summarize various types of data from different applications. And also open the Translate, go to Settings, and make sure to download the offline packages for the languages that you're gonna need in the future in case you won't have internet around. And lastly, go to your Photos application, find any photo you have here, tap the pencil icon, and let your tablet download the most recent package so that you can use all the AI features for editing your photos even without internet. Go to AI editor and download all the algorithms that you may need. For example, the AI Recompose, which will automatically enhance the image quality. Like this. And yeah, of course, one important thing, keep your device updated. Go to System and Update, Software Update, and download the most recent software version for your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.